paragraph tags. So I'm still your friend here at PowerMobs Foundation Elite Schools, and I'm Ahebwa Martin. This is my phone number, this is my email address, and we are making computing easier. So we are having paragraph tags. Paragraph tags. Remember, we are still on HTML. So paragraph tags. How do you create? How do you define or create a HTML paragraph? So we are saying that the paragraph or this P here, this P tag here, with this open this with this greater and less than symbol. So we are saying that this paragraph, this P or this P tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should go in between an opening and closing tag as shown below in the example. So as how we are saying, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So let us see what the example is all about. So we are having an example here. We are having document type here, document type HTML. So we said that this one is the version type of the HTML you are using. This is the HTML declaration. You are telling the browser about what you are writing it's about. What is it all about? You are saying that it is an HTML document. So now let us continue. We are having a head, what will happen, or what is all your website all about. Then we're having the body, and the body defines the content or displays what the major things that runs into the browser of the website. So for example, inside this site here, this is the body, and this is the heading. So this is what happened. The text that is always placed in the body part is here, and at the same time the heading is here. So now let us continue. So we are having our example here. So let us continue. So this will produce the following result. So this is a paragraph, and this one is a paragraph, and this one is another paragraph. So let us see. So this is it here, document type, document HTML head, title, paragraph, and the rest. So let us create it. So we are going to say opening tags here with an exclamation, and we type there doc type. Then we say HTML. We come here, we put there HTML again. Then we come here, we close our HTML. Then inside here, inside HTML, it is where we have our head. Then we are also having our head also closing. Then inside the head, we are having something called a title. We are having a title defining our website. So our title closing. Then we are having also something. We are having body here, body opening and body closing. So now here we can save this. We can call it paragraph. We can call it paragraph. You save it. We are going to save it on a desktop, and on a desktop on a folder called website. We are going to look for our website folder, and we are going to call it paragraph.html. Then we save it. So after saving it, I told you that you see it enables you to have it highlighted. So what is our website all about? Paragraph. We can say paragraph. Then we can have our body here. We can call a paragraph here. Then we can say this is paragraph. This is paragraph 1. This is paragraph 1. I close my paragraph. At the same time, I can open here and copy this. I paste this code again. I paste it my code again. So I can call this one paragraph 2, and I can call this paragraph 3. Then I save here. So the moment I finish saving, now I come to my folder where I have my desktop here, Then I go to my website folder. Then I open up paragraph. I double click to load my paragraph. So you can see now this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2, this is paragraph 3, and the title is paragraph. So let us continue. I hope that you've understood it. So that is why we are saying that the result of this is actually this one, what we are seeing here. So it will produce something like this, and this is a paragraph. So let us continue. So that is how we create a paragraph in HTML. Thanks for watching.